This is last year. I mean, we're talking about top 5 disciplinary offenses in the state of Ohio. Neglect, right, which includes can be communication issues, other misconduct, which is like personal misconduct, misrepresentation, false statements, right? Don't lie, cheat, or steal. Don't be the butt of a lawyer joke. Um, we're seeing more and more judicial misconduct. We're finding that the judges are finally not immune from professional responsibility issues. And so we're seeing more of that. Um, you know, one of the one of the other partners, the old partner in the firm that's been practicing for 50 years, he likes to tell people, the practice of law is difficult, right? We're dealing with people's lives and situations and livelihood and stressful situations at all time. And it can be a real minefield out there. And so be careful.